Hey guys, do you play the game FR Legends? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an FR Legends mod for iPhone and Android. We're talking 2025. So as you can see, I am pretty poor, but in the mod menu, I can actually turn on unlimited gold. So I'm going to turn this on right here and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, these are the values right now. It's pretty poor, but hopefully it does start increasing. So let's see what happens if it starts going up or not. So yeah, let's see what we get, guys. Currently, there's no change, but hopefully, guys. Oh, look at that! So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this FR Legends hack for your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get into the tutorial. The first thing we're gonna do is go onto the website tweakmod.com. So this is a website that has quite a number of modded apps. All right, so type FR Legends, and once you find the game, go ahead and press install. And before it downloads, there is going to be a verification step. So what you got to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it's super cool, guys, because a lot of people don't know that you can actually get a working 2025 FR Legends mod right now, guys, actually working. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here. As you can see, so as you can see, it says missing files. So you just need to download like 2 of these apps. So Family Island, for instance, says reach level 11. And then we got Underdog Fantasy, down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how I get FR Legends 2025 mods. So I'll see you later and peace out.